Look at a tree. Really look. It doesn't hurry. It doesn't ask. It just grows. Up, down, and all around. Its roots reach deep, finding water and stone, hugging the ground like an old friend. You can't see them, but the roots are there, strong, patient, and quiet. Above the ground, the trunk rises like a story, told in circles and rings. Every year adds another line, another page, another memory of wind and rain and sun. The branches stretch wide, catching the light, cradling the air. Some reach to the sky, some twist and turn, each one choosing its own way to grow. The leaves? The leaves are tiny miracles. They catch the sunlight. They make food from the air. They turn wind into whisper, and whisper into shade. Sometimes the tree blooms, flowers or fruit, seeds or cones, a gift to whatever passes by. The bees hum, the birds sing, and the world feels full. A tree is a home for beetles and owls, for squirrels and ants, for moss and mushrooms, and little green ferns that grow at its feet. Even fallen branches become houses for new life. Even broken pieces turn to soil and begin again. You can climb a tree. You can sit beneath one. You can watch how it moves without moving at all. And if you listen, really listen, you might hear the soft creak of its breath, the slow music of being alive. When a tree grows old, it doesn't end, it leans, it falls. It becomes the earth again. Its body feeds the next tree, and the next, and the next. Trees don't rush, they don't compete, they don't ask for more than they need. They just live, quietly giving, quietly being. So the next time you see one, stop, take a breath, look up, look down, and say thank you for the air you breathe, for the shade you sit in, and for the beauty that never asks to be seen. Because a tree is never just a tree. It's the earth, the sky, the wind, and you.
The trees are alive, and so are you. You share the world with them, and they share the world with you. And they share the world with you. And they share